those 2 rands make 100 rand, you know, and it multiplies with, and you then offer better service, better meals. You know, you improve with the more money you make. Eventually people will just come here and ask for food even when there's no gallery open, you know, because that's what you do. You trust, you know who cooked it, you know, that sort of thing. So that's the big picture. But as I say, we need to be talking to each other. Media must be talking about this. We in the streets, somebody came while I was sitting outside, you know, oh, you know, they then start talking about, really, I didn't know, what is art? They were asking. So if our people don't even know what art is, then apartheid has worked a very terrible thing on us. Because we've always been artists. We've always been artists. You go to the oldest mountains and you go there, there's mountain art, you know. We've always made something. I've just come from the cultural Basotho village. I saw history of things they've made over the years without the education, but scientific stuff that they've made. So we just need to visit that and go back and stop buying the Louis Vuittons of this world. Because we are the creators of those things. They just copy our styles, they copy our designs, and they sell them back to us, and we go and buy them at some glittery space, you know? Whereas many women sew, they crochet, they, you know, school uniforms could come from this place. For all the kids that go to school here, their school uniform must be from next door, made by auntie, but by 20, you know? That's the whole idea, to create a commerce out of our townships. Where they think they punished us by building townships, shame. They don't know. They've brought us together. So that's what this Maboneng Township Arts Project is about. The arts are going to make us a decent, dignified people again.